is Ling Chi, brush painting for beginners from Oriental Art Supply. We are starting the holiday season by preparing some of our artwork on fans to give it away as gifts. And I have two examples here. One is on Lotus, one is on Lily. So we're going to do the Lily today. And this fan paper is semi-size, so you can play with it a little bit on the moisture like watercolor. And the color I'm using is chip color. So I have yellow, indigo, make it green, and I have carmine, vermilion, and this is actual indigo. And then this is carmine mixing with the indigo with a little ink into a dark purple for the center. And Dr. Martin's bleed proof white. And Bass bottle ink in this one. So you only need two brushes. One is Mountain Horse Fine, or you can use large white pine needle brush. So this two brush should be enough to do the whole composition. But today I'm doing my demo, so this is a full Lotus brush, and I try not to have to wash my brush too often. A lot of times during the demo, I don't clean it quick enough. So I also have a Lotus Pod for a different color. So
this middle brush is
the
Lotus Petal.
And this is a Lotus Pod.
Okay.
I also have a mixing brush for the color. All right, so I'm going to start with Lotus Petal brush. I'm going to have a little bit yellow in the body of the brush. And I'm rinsing the tip off a little bit. So then I will have the carmine and mix. So and then right away using a Lotus Pot brush for the yellow. You can use both brushes when you are painting at home. You have a lot of time, and one brush is enough. And then so I loaded yellow, and then with a little bit vermilion for the tip. And then here, again with yellow and vermilion. And I'm going to, you can see that's why I need two brushes, because otherwise I'll be constantly in the video trying to changing the brush. So on this one, I'm going to use the dark purple I have, and then so I would do the center. So this is the first petal. The second petal, I rinse the tip off and then load the carmine again, going on this side. carmine again. And I rinse the Lotus Pod brush off with loading with yellow and vermilion. So then I Lotus Petal with a dark purple. All these can be done by one brush, but so to save the time, rinsing it off, also taking a chance not clean it enough. So this is my my 2 petals, and then on the top I'm going to rinse the tip off again, clean it up, so that I'm loading the yellow. And you can see I'm rinsing the tip off, so when I load the carmine, it doesn't become vermilion. So I rinse the tip off. So and then I load the tip with carmine and the dark purple. And then I rinse the tip off. Complete now, I washed off. So I'm loading the yellow again. And make sure you clean the tip off the yellow so you can load the carmine. So I'm having a little yellow and vermilion mix and finish up this petal. And then in the middle, I'm using the dark purple and over here. So now on this side is a narrow leaf, so yellow, vermilion, so with a little bit dark purple on the side and then out here. All right, so then I have a little calyx to hold it. So have yellow, vermilion with a little purple. All right, so then I'm going to do a flower bud on this side. So I have yellow and rinse the top off with carmine, and then here is my petal. And then now I'm going to do a new, quite not become the flower color yet. So I'm going to do a green bud. So just starting to form a bud. So I have yellow, I load my yellow and I clean up the tip, and I have a little green. So the same brush is the Lotus Petal, and then I also have another petal on another flower, new, not quite become the flower color. So another green bud here. Okay, so okay, so I have some green and then with a little indigo. And I'm going to do another green bud on this side. Okay, and then I'm going to use some green with a little indigo. Okay, so now we're doing the center of the flower. So we're going to use bleed proof white, Dr. Martens. So when you use this, be careful, don't use your dirty brush into the jar, and then because it will contaminate and then it will become crystallized. Once it's crystallized, then you can reconstitute it. So be careful. You can use a little spoon or clean mixing brush. Take it out from the jar, and then I'm going to use the mountain horse fine. Like I said, you can use the pine needle large too. So just a long but narrow brush for the line. So I will go from here I think there'll be 5 of them. And then you clean the tip of brush. You clean the whole brush, I'm sorry. And then you dry your brush. And then you go into the Vermilion and with a little ink. So that becomes kind of brown. Okay, so a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is my lily on the fan. Happy painting. See you next time.